Now we make another slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, chain 1 and a single crochet. Now we're gonna make a quadruple crochet, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, loop on the hook. We make a quadruple crochet in this round, we mark it, okay. In top of this two yarn, okay, we make a quadruple crochet. Okay, 1, we keep the 1 in my hand, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain and triple crochet in this, we keep it, okay, 1, 2, 3, then a single crochet in this 3 chain in last round. Now 1, 2, 3 chain, another single crochet in the next 3 chain, and we repeat this. We make a quadruple crochet in the middle of this 3 front post double crochet, okay, under this 2 yarn, okay, 1, okay, we keep this 2 yarn with our hands, and now 1 chain and make a triple crochet in this 2 yarn, okay, 1, 2 and 3, we make a single crochet on this 3 chain, and we continue this until we finish this round. 3 chain, another single crochet in next 3 chain, okay, in our last V shape make a single crochet and quadruple crochet here, 1, 2, 3, here second one, we keep the 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 1, 1, 2, triple crochet here, top of this 2, now a single crochet in this 3 chain, okay. For to finish this round, we don't make 3 chain, we make a double crochet, top of this single crochet, and we start from here. Now we make a single crochet here for the next round, and we put a marker in this single crochet for round 7. Okay, I put a marker in this single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, we make popcorn into this V shape we made in last round. Okay, 5 double crochet for popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We make a popcorn, chain 1 for close this popcorn, and chain 1, 2, 3 more. Okay, 3 more, a single crochet in this 3 chain, another 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make another popcorn in this V shape. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we close this, chain 1 for close this popcorn, chain 3 and make a single crochet in this 3 chain, 3 chain and another popcorn here, and we continue until we finish this round. I will back here. For finish this round, we make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Now this round finish.